What's up, world? I'm back again with another video, man. Today, as you can see, I've already cut up the onions. I've already cut up the green pepper. I'm dicing up the garlic right now. I got some tomatoes that I'm going to dice up. I got the potatoes. They're boiling right now. Got a bag full of spinach. I'm going to add that in as well. Some tomatoes. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Get with the program. You already know the score, man. Tap on that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well. Hit that bell so you can be notified when I drop my latest videos. I'm gonna add the garlic to the pan. Very obnoxious of me. I do apologize about that noise. Very obnoxious, I ain't gonna lie. I was doing too much. I'd be thinking I'm Chef Ramsay. I'm gonna add the garlic, the green pepper, and the onions, and then go from there. Oh my gosh, I wish y'all can smell this. Big chunks, boy. Chef Ramsay with it.
Hooray! Hooray!
Tomatoes to potatoes. I thought that was funny. Chuckle me a bit. Evenly spread it out, you know. It looks real colorful and looks healthy. Wow. Whoa. Until next time, I'm out.